In this video, I'm going to talk about YouTube marketing for lawyers. More specifically, I'm going to address the question I get asked most often. What do I talk about in my YouTube videos? If you're a lawyer and you want to get into YouTube marketing and you don't know what you should make videos about, I'm going to show you the exact topics you need to address if you want to grow your YouTube channel and your business as fast as possible. Let's get into it. Hey guys, welcome to the channel. I'm Dustin Sanchez at DustinSanchezTV.com. I help law firms grow their business with online marketing. I focus on search engine optimization for lawyers, Facebook ads, YouTube marketing, content marketing, email marketing for attorneys, you name it. If you want to grow your law firm as fast as freaking possible, hit me up at DustinSanchezTV.com. Okay, let's get into this YouTube marketing for attorneys. A lot of my own clients, I send them this video or a video just like this one. And a lot of attorneys who ask me, what should I talk about? You know, I just made this video because I wanted to have a good over-the-shoulder, let's call it keyword research for YouTube, basic topic research for YouTube videos for attorneys. And we're going to address that right now. Let me bring in my other screen. I'm just going to show you how I find video topics to talk about for my own lawyer clients. And that's a service, kind of an upgrade for my SEO package. I'm going to discontinue that. And so I wanted to make this video to show people how to find topics to talk about on YouTube. Now, this particular YouTube video is part of a series of YouTube videos. In that series, we talk about how to grow your channel. We talk about topic selection. And those are actually two different kind of videos, okay? One of them has to do with SEO. One of them has more to do with networking with other attorneys, okay? This is just about videos that you make for the purpose of search engine optimization. Okay, so we're talking about topic selection. Let me share the screen here. Make this a bit bigger. Okay, this is, of course, youtube.com, right? And let me make the screen a little bigger. Can I make the screen bigger? Okay, so I've made the screen bigger. All right, so you're at youtube.com, and at the very top, you see this search box right here, okay? This whole time, I'm going to assume that you're a family law attorney, that you're a divorce lawyer. But let's imagine you're immigration or car accident or DWI/DUI/criminal law. Whatever kind of attorney you are, this method works the same for every lawyer. Just to make it easier for me to make this video, I'm going to assume that you are a divorce attorney. Okay, so you are at youtube.com, and in the search box, I want you to type in whatever kind of lawyer you are. In this case, divorce lawyer. So we're going to type that in, divorce lawyer. Now, of course, if you're an attorney like me, you're a licensed attorney, you realize that every state has its own jurisdiction. Family law is a state jurisdiction, whereas something like bankruptcy or immigration, those are federal jurisdictions. So keep that in mind, whatever kind of law you practice as you're doing your topic research, okay? Here's what I do though. I type in divorce lawyer, I hit enter, and now I'm running through this list of search results, and I'm looking for actual lawyers, okay? Like you see, this says Lewis Howes. Well, I know Lewis Howe is kind of an online marketing guru, and he just had someone on he had a divorce lawyer on his YouTube channel. We're not looking for those. We're looking for actual divorce lawyers. This is Glamour Magazine. That's not going to be a YouTube channel we want to analyze. This is TED Talk. We're not going to want to analyze TED Talk or Joe Rogan. But here's one that says divorce lawyers for men. That would be a good channel to analyze. I'm going to right click, open new tab, and keep going. Okay, this is the law office of Dennis R. Vetrano. That's a law firm, and they rank well for the term divorce lawyer. So we can assume they know what they're doing in terms of topic selection. Right click, open a new tab. Let's get about 4 or 5 of these. Okay, this is Life Hacker. That's not a divorce lawyer. This is the Rachel Ray Show, not a divorce lawyer. We're looking for actual divorce attorneys. Here you go, Miles Mason Family Law Group. Let's open that up. Adam Divorce Attorneys for Men, open that up. Okay, now we're going to go analyze these channels. So let's go to the first one, which was called Divorce Lawyers for Men. I'm just going to click on videos right here. I'm going to come here and I'm going to click sort by most popular. Okay, so here we go. Once again, what is this video that I'm making about? It's about topic selection. How do you decide what legal topics to talk about? Well, my marketing strategy is always the same with every, it just is always the same, okay? If you've watched my YouTube channel for any amount of time, I tell you, find the people who are winning, copy those winners, okay? So what are we gonna do with this guy right here? We're just going to go find their most popular videos, which is why I did a sort by most popular right there. And we're going to go make videos on those exact same topics. So this first video got 124,000 views, right? This video got 2,100 views. You're going to have to set a baseline as to what videos you want to publish, okay? If it were me, I would say any topic above 3,000 views. 3,000 views or more, I'm going to say that's a good topic. There's a lot of search volume for that topic. Let's make a video on that topic. So this one, 124,000 views. Obviously, we're making this exact YouTube video if I'm a divorce lawyer. So now let's imagine that I am in the state of Texas, okay? My video topic, the title of my video is going to be The Divorce Rules for Men in Texas - Smith Law Firm Exposes Family Law, something like that. Okay, that's going to be my title of my video. So that's the only one on this channel that has more than 3,000 views. So all I'm going to do is write this down in a spreadsheet. The Divorce Rules for Men in Texas. That's going to be my first video that I make. We're going to make it about for 3 minutes, 3 to 4 minutes long. Okay, let's go to the next channel. Here's the Law Office of Dennis R. Vetrano. What are we going to do? We're going to click on videos. We're going to sort by most popular. Then we're going to find all the videos that have at least 3,000 views. Here we have moving out during a divorce / forced to leave divorce lawyer Poughkeepsie. Okay, so we're going to make a topic about that same topic. We're going to make a video about that same topic. Let's imagine again, we are a divorce lawyer in Texas. What is our video title going to be? Moving out during a divorce / forced to leave divorce lawyer in Texas. And then you don't even have to watch this video. Just you're an expert, you're a lawyer, you're supposed to know something about the law you practice. So I want you to talk for 3 to 4 minutes about this topic, okay? But that's what you're going to talk about. Why? Because you already know that's a good topic because it already has 6,000 views. Okay, the next one, this has 5,500 views. It was made 9 months ago, and it's called Marriage Advice from a Divorce Lawyer - Divorce Stories, episode 13. Okay, well, you're going to be marriage advice from a Texas divorce lawyer -- divorce stories episode. Maybe it's episode 1. Okay. But you know, there's some search volume from that. Okay. And this one has 3,900 views. And you're just going to make a video about this same topic. You're going to use the almost same title. How can a judge tell who's lying? ? Divorce lawyer, Texas, or divorce lawyer, San Antonio, whatever city you're in. And then you just talk for 2 minutes and 30 seconds on this topic. Okay. That's it. It's real easy. Let's go analyze one more. Click on videos, click on sort by most popular. This one has 87,000 views. Looks like they're reporting on a news piece. So of course, if that exact news item didn't happen in your jurisdiction, you're not going to talk about that. But go to the next one. This one has 11,000 views. It's titled Financial Abuse, Narcissists and Money, a Divorce Lawyer's Perspective. You'll make a video on that exact same topic. Okay, except your title might be Financial Abuse, Narcissists and Money, a Texas Divorce Lawyer's Perspective. Okay. Here's one with 8,600 views, but it's reporting on a news thing. You may not want to, if you don't have Channel 3 News in your city, you may not want to do that. But here's one, 4,500. Can I get a temporary custody order? So you would make this same video. Your topic would be, can I get a temporary custody order in Texas or in Houston or in Harris County? However you want to do it. This is how you decide what you're going to talk about, though. This says Tennessee child support ends when the child reaches 18 or graduates high school. So you're going to make a video. Texas child support ends when the child reaches, whatever the rules are in your jurisdiction. 3,800 views. Introduction to how Tennessee alimony works. Same thing with you, although I know there's no alimony in Texas, but most of your civilians don't know that. So you could be introduction to how Texas alimony works. Then you talk for 3 to 5 minutes about how there's really no alimony in Texas. Okay, so let's go back to here. I'm going to close these channels out. And we were at youtube.com, right? And the first time we did a search, we did it on divorce lawyer. Now what I want you to run a search on is something a little bit more granular. Like in terms of keywords, divorce lawyer is the very top of the very bottom of your funnel. Someone goes to YouTube and they search divorce lawyer, they're looking to hire a divorce lawyer. But now let's go a little more to the top of the funnel and talk about something like child support modification or standard visitation order. You should do a search on a keyword that's a little more granular in your practice area. For instance, if you're a bankruptcy attorney, the first time you did a search, you would have searched on bankruptcy lawyer. The next time you might search Chapter 11 bankruptcy rules or something more granular. In this case, we're in the divorce space. Let's talk about what would be a good one? Spousal support. Spousal support rules in whatever state you're in. Let's pretend it's Texas. So we run that, and now you're more likely to see law firms. Let me make this bigger again. So here's someone, Lena Nguyen. Let's go ahead and open that in a new tab. Mark Nacol, open that in a new tab. These are all appear to be lawyers. All right, let's go analyze these channels now. What do? You just simply click on videos. you see this sort by. You're going to click on sort by most popular. And now you're looking for a threshold. Arbitrarily, I picked 3,000 views. If you're in a legal niche that doesn't have as much traffic, you might have to lower that threshold. But let's just stick with the 3,000 views. And here you can see this one has 6,200 views, pros and cons of a prenup. You can do that same title. Pros and cons of a prenup dash a Texas divorce lawyer explains. Okay. Let's go to the next channel because nothing else is more than 3,000 views here. But maybe, you don't have to do exactly what I recommend. You might look at this channel and find something with 500 views, but decide, oh, that's a decent topic, and then make that exact same topic. Let's go to the next channel. Okay, so here we are at the Mark Nacol channel. You're just going to click on videos. You're going to click on sort by most popular. Okay, here's one with 7,900 views. Getting a Texas divorce dash how long does it take? You make that same exact video, except maybe you switch the channel up. How long does a Texas divorce take? Dash Texas divorce lawyer. Okay. Here's one, Texas wills, what makes a valid will? Well, that's more estate planning. That's not necessarily family law. But if you want to throw that in, go ahead and make that video. Okay, here's one with 5,600 views. Texas spousal support dash big changes in Texas law. You can do that same exact video. You're going to make a topic, Texas spousal support dash changes in Texas family law. And then you just riff for 3 minutes and 30 seconds on that topic. You're a lawyer. You ought to be able to talk about what you do for a living. So just talk about that for 3 minutes. Okay, and then this is the last one. This is more business law. I'm just going to skip that. Go to the next channel. What do? We click on videos. We click on sort by most popular. And now we start to analyze. This is 77,000 views, although this is about auto accident, so it's not family law. Let's see if we can find anything family law. Here it is. How is spousal support calculated? 17,000 views. You're going to make that exact same video. Okay. So let me go back here. All right. So where are we? Let me make my head bigger here. Okay. So far what we've discussed is what topics do we talk about, right? I'm telling you to make YouTube videos, and the first question you ask me is, what do I talk about? Well, the obvious answer is talk about the law. You're a lawyer, make videos about the law. The not so obvious answer is this. Find the people who are winning in your space and then go make the exact same video topics that they make, all right? So that's all we have for topic selection. In the next video, I'll talk about some other type of videos to make to actually grow your channel. And well, these topics will grow your channel as well, but more of like an online networking sort of thing, how you can grow your channel a little faster, where if you combine both of these tactics, it's just like throwing gasoline on your YouTube channel and on exploding your business. So I'm Dustin Sanchez, DustinSanchezTV.com. Before I go, I want to invite you to download or join my free lawyer marketing program. Kind of titled it What's Working Now, but it used to be titled Lawyer Marketing Secrets. Just because I update it so often, I kind of wanted to make the title more current. But it's just a simple little free e-course that shows you what's working now in lawyer marketing. Download it at DustinSanchezTV.com. It will be on the screen, like maybe right here or so. Download DustinSanchezTV.com/now, N-O-W, DustinSanchezTV.com/now. Until next time, peace out.